Charlotte, what's your favorite animal?
The spaceship.
There's ribs. It's easy, and it's great. And if you do it right, you can eat it naked.
Fit pure.
Here's what you need to make it. Ribs with charcoal briquettes, wood pellets, full pans, assorted liquids. Fire! Step 1. Whoop them whips.
Fit pure.
Step 2. Light it up! Step 3. Put a pan with your liquid on one side of the grill.
Now we're going.
Okay.
Step 4. Add your coals.
Alright, and then even those out a little bit. Yeah, just use that. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Put your ribs on opposite the coals. Rotate them every 2 hours.
Oh, hang on. No, not flip like that. Flip it, rotate it.
Rotate.
Yeah, here. Hold your beer. I got it.
Hold on, I got this.
Bear kids and men cooking. Perfect.
Step 8. Rest them.
Give it like a loving
Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. That's how you make smoked ribs. Mazel tov.